Guys, my bike is officially clapped. I've been riding for 2 years and I never had a huge crash like this. It wasn't even my fault.
It was all my fault. I was trying to wheelie in front of him. I lost control of the bike. I started leaning over to the right, so I put my foot down and I just ended up losing control. I fell in front of him and he crashed in front of me.
Turns out I ended up fracturing 2 of my ribs and we didn't know until a couple of days later. Yeah, I feel fine though right now.
Yeah, we didn't know right away, but we ended up going to urgent care and they told us that it was just a bruised rib. But then the x-rays, I think a week later when it came, showed that he actually did break his rib. He fractured his rib. Or 2 ribs, right? 1 or 2?
2.
Luckily it was just that, and he healed up right away. This guy's like a freaking superhuman.
My hand guards are cooked. My brake levers are bent. My front fender got scratched up. The swing arm. Luckily, it was a $10 fix. It was a really big mission to take it out.
The outer part of the bearing is still stuck in there.
We had to get like a little Dremel that had to cut it out. We tried everything, but that worked, so. Problems.
Here.
That thing was so annoying, you guys don't get it. It was such a mission to get it out.
Since I caused the crash, since I pretty much ruined it, I'm gonna fix it for him and then actually make it look a lot better. We made it look brand new. It is not clapped anymore. Check it out.
We got the easiest upgrade first, which is the ODI grips. Oh yeah, that was easy. We got these graphics from MX Wraps. Boom, that was easy. Then we got these ASV brake levers, the F3s. Of course we had to get them in red. And then I got my dad's old Warp 9 pegs. They ended up not fitting, but we got these old Jaxer pegs. Let's see if they fit. Yep, perfect. Then we got this footlock from Astroworks, of course, in red. And then we got a new mud flap. We don't know what happened to the other one. It kind of just disappeared, so yeah. And then we got these bearings for the swing arm. Then we got this shock cover from EMoto. Not really sure what it's for, but it looks good, so. Guys, we just finished all the upgrades on our bike. The bike looks super sick. But before we show you, make sure to like and subscribe. It only helps the channel. And yeah, back to your video. Alright guys, I'm back. My bike looks so freaking good. I'm so hyped about the decals. We ordered off MX Wraps. Don't order from there. It's nice quality, but it took us maybe a month. We even ordered these pegs too. I don't know if you can see them right now, but that also took like a month. But if you want to wait, it came out nice, so what are they doing here? I don't know, I think they were dancing. But yeah, I'm really hyped about this bike. It looks so clean. I'm convinced I have the cleanest RTR. I don't care what anyone says. And if you guys didn't know, my dad just got a new E-Ride Pro 3.0. I'm scared for him, that's all I gotta say. He was going like maybe 35. He popped it up on sport. He almost moved out, but luckily he had his finger on the brake. I feel like you don't need that much power, like it's unnecessary, but I don't know, maybe it's good for racing. Might be a little rusty on the wheelies because I haven't wheelied in a while. That's why I haven't posted like in 2 months. So I've been healing up, but I'm fine now. I'm gonna try a little wheelie right now. Oh, okay.
Have you tried your foot lock yet?
Oh yeah, I just felt it. It makes a difference.
Yeah.
I was my first wheelie in 2 months, by the way.
I think you should probably do some circle wheelies with 1 foot. You know what I mean? Should you try that?
I need to know foot tracks first, and then yeah.
Okay.
Like this.
Hey, there you go. There you go. That bike is so damn clean, Dame. It looks so clean.
I know. Shot color from EMoto, which also took a while. Sport guards. These ASV levers. These were really nice. This guy has E-Ride Pro over here. Yeah, this E-Ride Pro has so much power, it's actually insane. I think he's aiming for like a chrome and black. That, as you can see, he already has like his chrome. What is it called again? Footlock. It's like you should get a chrome peg, that'll look nice. Oh my god, it's so hot out here. Can't take it. Bro, it looks so good. I think I was looking at a TikTok shop. I saw they had like a chrome, I think metal bash guard for the RTR, and look nice. So. We just saw Ultra B yesterday, and it actually looks smaller than I expected, but I think he had smaller tires. Wait, you have 140 miles on this?
Already. Isn't that crazy?
That's so hard to believe. I feel like we only gone like on 5 rides and you already have 140. I was turning left, but then I turned it to right, but then I couldn't stop moving. I feel like I have to touch left when I'm right. I feel like the wind is just blowing.
I know.
You know what was a lot of bike? The dragster.
Yeah, but that thing sounded sick.
It did sound sick. Don't worry guys, we're trying to like fix it.
The motor pretty much died on us on the dragster. We're not gonna get rid of it yet. We're gonna slowly build it up. I know some of you guys followed us because of the dragster. So yeah, we gotta get that up and running.
Yeah, I miss the dragster. Like, it's been too long that I haven't ridden like in a couple months. We're trying to get like a new motor for it, trying to fix it up and get that baby running again. Oh my god!
There you go. That boy, focus.
Oh my god! That was so locked in.
Let's go, Dave.
I was so locked in. How long was that? That was probably one of the most like longest, smoothest wheelies. I'll say I bounced by 2. It wasn't a power wheelie, like the haters say.
Oh, you guys will not be seeing wheelies from me. Not yet, because this thing is too powerful for me.
It's crazy. That was really good.
That really was good. You freaking out of nowhere too, no practice really. You didn't warm up.
I did this still improvement. This is very learning how to wheelie video is crazy.
Oh, there you go.
Last time we were here, we saw these Chinese cars.
Oh, these cars right there, they're Waymos.
Oh, those? Oh, yeah, like the ones in LA where they drive themselves. They look pretty ugly, I'm not gonna lie.
They're very ugly, yeah.
They look funny though, but... Oh, and also too, guys, we went to this Paris Raceway thing at the racing. I saw Ross out there, Ross Stans, Jamie Brapp. I got this SMR racing hoodie, and I guess a couple days ago I took a picture. They're like, yo, send us that picture. And then Electron Crow also reposted our video or picture.
It was a picture that I posted on his Instagram. If you guys are not following the Instagram, make sure you follow him. Oh, damn, we forgot about the name change.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, we're not cruising on E anymore. We're not the cringy cruising on E anymore. We are now DameRipz.
I also think it's corny, but it's better than cruising on E.
I don't think it's corny. I think it's cool.
Like Surroundster, like...
Yeah, see, that's corny, but look how popular it is.
It's not corny, but I don't know.
So yeah, guys, if you guys are not following, make sure to follow him on Instagram. I moderate it though, but he sees all the comments.
I was literally like, I couldn't think of a name, so I was like, let's just put my full name. You know how John Hicks and some other people do that, but nah, I don't want to be boring like them.
I think it's perfect too, because your favorite candy is Rips, right? The Rips candy?
Yeah.
But man, that bike came out so sick.
It did. It's done really her case.
Oh yeah, this is where it happened, guys.
Yeah, not here.
Oh no.
Oh.
This is the spot, guys. This is where I did that wheelie. This is where I crashed.
Yeah, let's not demonstrate that.
Specifically right here.
Yeah, right there. And I was sitting down right there. I even wanted to lay down on the floor because I just wanted to rest. But my dad said to get up because it looked like I got like knocked out or something. So I got up and just sat down. Yeah,
as soon as he fell and he started like groaning because like his air came out.
Yeah, I was trying to like, not scream, but trying to like breathe.
Yeah, in my head, I thought that was your first time that ever happened to you, which I think it was, right? Like that bad?
No, I got punched at school, remember?
But was it that bad though?
I don't remember actually, because I feel like when you get the wind knocked out of you, it just like, it happens so fast you can't like process everything. I don't know how to explain it, like, your brain just shuts off for a second and you start like, you wake up when like you can't breathe, you know?
Yeah, but that's what I was trying to tell you. Like, as soon as that happened, I was trying to just reassure you that your wind got knocked out of you.
Yeah.
So that you won't panic, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because that's a scary feeling. When that happened to me, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. And I was a little kid, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, so I was at school. And it was with my best friend actually. We're still friends, but I think he was on probation, so he had to leave the school because he was mad. And we were just messing around. We were punching each other playfully, but then this guy punched me with his full power, and I wasn't expecting, because like we were kind of like play fighting, and he punched. I wasn't expecting it, so then I just got the board knocked out of me.
I'll tell him about Gio and his RTR that I got impounded.
Oh my gosh, I feel so bad for my friend. I think he just got an RTR maybe like a couple weeks ago. It was a white one. He just got it. I think it was RTR light, and I honestly don't know why he was riding at some beach. I think Torrance Beach. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? And then he showed me a video. His bike was just like there. The cops like writing stuff down, talking to him. And then after that, he texted me, yo, bro, you got impounded. What are you running at the beach for? That was his first mistake right there. If that's gonna be it for the video, make sure to stay tuned for the next upgrades. I think we have we have 3. We also have another video after that. Can't spoil it yet. Maybe that's our next video. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. It only helps the channel and my happiness. So yeah, stay ripping. We out. Peace.
I do not care about facade.